Hello, I'm Kevin Hauk, the creator of the AVXY.
The AVXY is a combination of hardware and software. Here is the board that makes up the hardware side of AVXY. It is installed inside an Xbox 360 controller. The board can then be programmed with the Arduino IDE. We have created a library for AVXY that makes it very easy to create your own programs. With over 60 functions, the library makes it easy to interface with the controller by allowing the user to read the state of a button and also trick the controller into thinking the button was pressed. Here I will demonstrate how easy it is to upload a program to the AVXY. First we plug in the controller with the charge and play cable. Next we open the file and hit upload. And that's it. This program flashes the player 3 and 4 LEDs at a rate determined by the value of the variable. At first we make the flashes happen quickly. We then make the delay between flashes longer and re-upload the program. This shows how simple it is to load a new program onto the AVXY. Next we make the delay shorter and re-upload the program once again. The AVXY only takes a couple of seconds to upload a new program. And once programmed, the cable can be removed and there's no ties to the computer. It is completely independent. Now we will upload another program to the AVXY. This program will flash the LEDs when any button the AVXY is connected to is pressed. I use this program to check my solder connections. The controller is still flashing from the program loaded onto it before. The AVXY is connected to all buttons and triggers besides the guide button. When a button is pressed, the LEDs flash to show the AVXY has recognized the press. Although the demos we showed you so far only flash the LEDs, this is only to show the programming aspect of how AVXY works. The AVXY can do much more. Now we will show you a taste of what the AVXY can really be used for. Here we have added some modules of code that do specific actions into our mode selection program. The modules of code are really just what makes the mode work. These modes have a 3-shot burst in slot 1, drop shot in slot 2, and 7-shot burst in slot 3. The mode is changed with the press of the sync button. The mode selection program will be available on our website when our Kickstarter campaign is funded. Many different modules of code that can be put into the mode selection program will also be available. Anyone can create their own module and add it into the mode selection program. We have guides on how to do this on our website. Here's mode 1. That's a 3-shot burst. This is mode 2. This is drop shot. Now the mode is changed to mode 3, and this is mode 3, which is a 7-shot burst. With another tap of the sync button, the modes are all turned off and the controller works just like normal. Work have gone into making the AVXY, from the AVXY library shown here to the AVXY board. They work together to form a seamless way to interface with any Xbox 360 controller. If funded, I will provide the community with the quality system that takes the headache out of creating your own controller programs. Please support my project. It has come very far from an idea to being on the verge of becoming a real device that can be used by literally anybody. If our Kickstarter campaign fails, AVXY will never materialize. The AVXY is open source, and if funded, the AVXY's design and software will be released to the world under the Creative Commons Share-alike 3.0 license. Thank you for taking the time to look at my project. Don't forget to check us out on our website at avxy.us.